I think it's really, really important that we keep this alive. One of the things that upsets me is that another one of my interests, obviously, is world literature. And I looked through some of the anthologies. Publishers make a lot of money from anthologies. And there are anthologies of world literature. There are 3 big ones that I know of. I mean, I'm talking thousands and thousands of pages. And there's no Yiddish. So there's something wrong there. There should be, they have Inuit poetry. It's fine. But there should be some Yiddish as well. For that not to be included really bothers me. The other day at the Jewish Film Festival, the Jewish Book Fair in Buffalo, my wife and I are on the committee, and we showed the film about Shalom Aleichem, and they asked me to say a few words before, and I just encouraged them to, if you don't read Yiddish, go home and read some Yiddish literature in English. It's just, we've got to keep this stuff alive.